The reason why most people are poor is because they have extremely crippling habits in their life that limit their potential and hurt their progress. 99% of people suffer because they don't realize the power of habits and how they literally can change your life for the better or worst. I will teach you today what are the top 8 habits that can cripple your financial life and how to fix them. If you like being poor, you can skip these videos and never worry about fixing your life. But if you are a real champion, stick to the very end because that is where I will be revealing the #1 habit that ruins people's lives and how to fix it. Welcome everyone to today's video. Are you tired of financial struggles? Do you want to break free from money problems? Well, you're in the right place because today we'll uncover 8 money habits that could be keeping you poor and discuss how to change them for a prosperous future. So, grab your notepad, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive into these transformative wealth-building habits. We often overlook our subconscious money habits, but they play a crucial role in our financial well-being. Let's start with habit number 1, pay yourself first. This habit involves prioritizing your financial future by setting aside a portion of your income for personal savings before covering expenses. It may seem counterintuitive, but it's incredibly powerful. When you pay yourself first, you're telling your brain that your financial security matters. Habit number 2, choose your friends wisely. Your choice of friends can significantly impact your financial well-being. It's important to consider how the people you spend time with influence your financial habits and mindset. When you surround yourself with friends who have extravagant spending habits, it can create a subtle pressure to keep up with their lifestyle. You might find yourself dining at expensive restaurants, going on lavish vacations, or making unnecessary purchases to fit in. This kind of lifestyle can lead to overspending, debt, and financial stress. On the flip side, building relationships with financially responsible individuals can be a game changer for your financial journey. These friends are more likely to inspire wealth-building habits and provide a supportive environment for your financial goals. Your choice of friends matters when it comes to your financial well-being. Opting for relationships with financially responsible individuals can positively influence your financial habits and mindset, setting you on a path to greater financial stability and success. Habit number 3, shift your mindset. Changing your mindset to view wealth as the norm has the power to profoundly transform your financial reality. This shift revolves around recognizing the significance of your beliefs about money and how they shape your financial journey. Many people grow up with a scarcity mentality, believing that there's a limited amount of wealth to go around. Shifting your mindset to view wealth as normal challenges this belief. Instead of competing for limited resources, you start seeing opportunities for abundance everywhere. A wealth mindset fosters confidence in your ability to manage money wisely and make informed financial decisions. This self-assuredness enables you to explore investment opportunities, negotiate better deals, and pursue financial growth. Your beliefs about money influence your financial behavior. If you believe that you'll always struggle with money, you may inadvertently create financial challenges. Changing these beliefs can lead to more constructive actions. Beliefs can become self-fulfilling prophecies. If you believe you can't achieve financial success, you might unconsciously undermine your efforts. Embracing a wealth mindset can reverse this pattern. Changing your mindset to view wealth as the norm is a transformational step in your financial journey. It challenges limiting beliefs, inspires confidence, and attracts opportunities. Recognizing the importance of changing your beliefs about money is the first step toward realizing your financial aspirations and enjoying a more prosperous life. Habit number 4, avoid credit card excess. Accumulating debt through excessive credit card spending can lead to a multitude of financial pitfalls and long-term consequences. It's crucial to understand these dangers and prioritize responsible spending and saving as a healthier alternative. Credit cards often come with high interest rates. When you carry a balance on your card, you end up paying significantly more for the items you purchased, making them far more expensive in the long run. Debt brings financial stress, impacting your overall well-being and quality of life. Constant worry about repayment and interest can lead to anxiety and sleepless nights. If you use credit cards, do so responsibly. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid accruing interest. Treat your credit card as a convenient payment tool rather than a source of credit. By avoiding credit card excess and embracing responsible spending and saving habits, you can safeguard your financial well-being, reduce stress, and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals. Remember that financial freedom and peace of mind come from managing your money wisely and living within your means. Habit number 5, organize your finances. Organizing your finances is an essential step toward financial stability and achieving your wealth-building goals. It involves tracking your income and expenses, creating a budget, and regularly monitoring your financial activities. Tracking your income and expenses provides you with a clear picture of your financial situation. It helps you understand where your money comes from and where it goes, fostering financial awareness. By analyzing your expenses, you can identify spending patterns and areas where you can cut back or optimize your spending. This can free up money for saving and investing. Prioritize building an emergency fund and regular savings contributions in your budget. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense. Start by defining your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or going on a dream vacation. Your budget will help you allocate funds toward these goals. Consider using financial apps or software to streamline the budgeting and tracking process. These tools can provide insights and automate certain aspects of your financial management. This habit empowers you to make informed financial decisions, reduce financial stress, and work toward achieving your short-term and long-term financial objectives. Remember that financial success is not solely about how much you earn. It's about how effectively you manage and utilize what you have. Habit number 6, fear debt. Treating debt as uncomfortable and something to be avoided is a crucial mindset shift for achieving financial success. Here's why it's important and how it can transform your financial life. Debt, especially high-interest debt, can quickly become a significant financial burden. It often comes with interest payments that eat into your income, making it challenging to build wealth or achieve financial goals. Debt can lead to stress and anxiety as you constantly worry about meeting your repayment obligations. It can impact your mental and emotional well-being, affecting your overall quality of life. High levels of debt can restrict your financial freedom. You may find yourself trapped in a cycle of debt repayment, unable to invest, save, or make choices that align with your financial goals. Not all debt is created equal. Some forms of debt, like taking a mortgage for a home or investing in education, can be considered good debt if they contribute to your long-term financial well-being. However, bad debt includes high-interest credit card debt used for discretionary spending. Adjust your lifestyle to match your income and avoid the temptation to overspend. When you spend less than you earn, you won't need to rely on credit to maintain your lifestyle. By fearing debt and avoiding unnecessary borrowing, you protect your financial well-being and create opportunities for building wealth. Debt can act as a significant obstacle to financial success. But with the right mindset and financial habits, you can reduce its impact and work toward achieving your financial goals without the burden of excessive debt. Habit number 7, invest in personal growth. Investing in your personal and financial development is a transformative habit that can lead to significant returns on investment. Committing to personal growth means you're dedicated to learning and improving throughout your life. This mindset keeps you adaptable and better equipped to navigate an ever-changing world. Investing in personal growth often involves acquiring new skills and knowledge. These skills can open up new career opportunities, increase your earning potential, and make you more valuable in your current job or business. As you grow personally and professionally, your confidence naturally increases. This self-assurance can lead to more assertive decisions, better negotiation skills, and the ability to seize opportunities that may have otherwise passed you by. Investing in personal growth can lead to a higher earning potential. Whether through career advancement, entrepreneurship, or freelancing, the skills and knowledge you acquire can translate into increased income. Personal growth can pave the way to financial independence. It allows you to make informed investment decisions, diversify your income streams, and take calculated risks that can accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. In essence, investing in personal growth is a foundational habit for achieving financial success. It equips you with the skills, mindset, and confidence needed to make wise financial decisions, seize opportunities, and continually progress toward your wealth-building goals. The returns on these investments in yourself can be immeasurable and extend far beyond your financial portfolio. Habit number 8, take immediate action. As promised, here it is. The single most important habit which 99% of people fail because they spend their entire lives studying and analyzing and never commit in the end, because they lack motivation. Taking immediate action is a pivotal habit on your journey to financial success. It is critical and essential. Without action, nothing can be done. procrastination can be a significant roadblock to financial success. By taking action immediately, you break the cycle of delay and set yourself on a path of productivity. Opportunities don't wait for the perfect moment. They often come and go quickly. By taking immediate action, you increase your chances of seizing opportunities that can accelerate your financial growth. Each action you take creates momentum. As you see progress, your motivation and confidence grow, fueling your determination to continue on your financial journey. There's no perfect time to start working towards financial success. Waiting for the right moment can lead to years of missed opportunities. Change begins today, regardless of your current circumstances. When you take action, you gain a sense of control over your financial destiny. You become an active participant in shaping your future rather than a passive observer. Your willingness to take immediate action can inspire those around you. Leading by example, you can motivate friends, family, and colleagues to embark on their journeys to financial success. In conclusion, taking immediate action is the catalyst that propels you from financial aspirations to tangible achievements. By recognizing that change begins today and that you have the power to make a difference, you unlock your potential and set the wheels of progress in motion. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to the financial success you desire. And there you have it, friends. The top 8 habits that can change your life for the better if you focus on fixing and improving them. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment what habits are you currently doing and which ones you need to improve on so you too can live a successful and prosperous life. Goodbye.